Make an Easter basket. You need a pot with water, hard-boiled eggs, wrapping paper, a basket, green crepe paper, scissors, vinyl glue, and a brush. Gently put 4 eggs into the pot with the water. Light the gas fire and boil the eggs for 8 minutes. Cool the hot eggs in the cold water. Cut the crepe paper into strips. Put these strips in the basket and build a nest. Tear the wrapping paper into pieces. Glue the pieces into the eggs with the vinyl glue until they are totally covered. When the eggs are dry, put them in the basket on top of the green crepe paper. And now your colorful Easter basket is ready. Almost. You can add some yellow dandelions on your Easter basket. Happy Easter to you and your families. Bye bye. See you.